I received this 2-pack tape dispenser guns from Tape King, and they work wonderfully. It's really nice that you receive 2 guns as well as 2 free rolls of tape. And let me show you how easy it is to work. First of all, I want to mention this nice, comfortable handle. It's very ergonomic. And the best feature that it has a tension control right here. So if you want to make it a little bit more tighter or more looser, that is up to you. All you have to do is turn this knob, just like that. Now, I've already been using this and I absolutely love it. So easy to use, but I wanted to show you how easy it is for you to thread it on your first time. So what you're going to do is you're going to get this tape right here and you're going to pull this part down and the tape is going to fit through that rubber guide. Very easy. And upon first use, there is a cover, so make sure to take it off after each use and put it back on. And all you have to do is thread it up just like that, and you just push it against this tape cutter, and voila, that's how easy it is to use. Now, I have a box that I want to tape up so you can see it in action. And this is a really nice tape dispenser, as you can see. Now, here's the box, and let's tape it up. So we're going to take this tape and put it along this edge right here and push it down, and then we just pull on it just like that. And then on this side, we're going to lay it down and have it cut. The blades are super sharp. And that is how easy it is to use this. Let me show you a close-up. Here's a close-up of the tape dispenser, and look at that nice, comfortable handle it has. It also has the sharp blade right here, and there are screws to make it push out a little bit further if you choose to. And this is the rubber guide, and here is the lever that you pull down so the tape can go through. And it also has a 3-inch wide core. So as long as your tape is 3 inches wide, it will fit, and it can fit a maximum of 2 inches or less wide. This is very nice and heavy duty, and I'm very pleased with it. Very nice and very heavy duty tape. This is perfect for if you do a lot of shipping or if you're moving or other boxes as well. Also great for everyday tasks too. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.